Did you know the average household wastes over 50% of the food they buy? Let's turn that staggering number around. Welcome to our guide on zero-waste kitchen hacks. Today, we'll explore how you can transform your kitchen into an eco-friendly haven while reducing waste, and it's easier than you think. First up, let's talk about food scraps. Instead of tossing those vegetable peels and leftovers, consider composting. It's a fantastic way to enrich your garden soil. Just a small bin under the sink can help you collect scraps effortlessly. Next, have you heard of food preservation? Did you know that you can save nearly half of your grocery bill by simply learning how to store your food better? Use glass jars for leftovers to keep them fresh, and watch out for those pesky plastic containers that warp and leach chemicals. Can you imagine turning banana peels into a delicious homemade smoothie? Blend them with some yogurt and you'll never waste another banana again. It's a delicious zero-waste snack. Speaking of smoothies, how about those overripe fruits nobody wants? Freeze them. Frozen fruits work beautifully in smoothies, and you can combine them later into delicious desserts. Now, let's dive into DIY. Have an empty glass jar? You can reuse it as a spice or snack container. Customize it by painting it or labeling it to match your kitchen decor. It's both fun and practical. And don't forget about your herbs. Instead of buying those plastic packs, grow your own herbs. They're super easy to care for and can be grown on your kitchen windowsill. Let's not overlook the amazing versatility of eggshells. They're not just for throwing away. Crushed eggshells can be used as a natural fertilizer. Just sprinkle them in your garden. Now, if you're trying to avoid single-use products, consider investing in reusable items like beeswax wraps. They're a fantastic alternative to plastic wrap. Simply mold them around your food, and you can wash and reuse them. Good for the planet and stylish too. Have you ever thought about creating your own cleaning supplies? It's more eco-friendly and will save you money. A mix of vinegar, water, and a drop of essential oil makes for a powerful cleaner. Another fun hack? Save all those tiny bits of soap instead of tossing them away. Place them in a mesh bag, and you can use them as a loofah. And let's not forget about your morning coffee. Use leftover coffee grounds in your garden. They are a great nitrogen source. Sprinkle them around your plants, and you'll notice a difference. So, what's stopping you from taking these small steps today? Each little hack adds up to make a big difference. You have the power to reduce your waste, help the earth, and save money, all in one go. With all these zero-waste kitchen hacks, remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Start small, choose a few hacks that resonate with you and make them a part of your daily routine. You might just inspire those around you to do the same. If this video inspired you, don't forget to hit that like button. Share your own zero-waste tips in the comments below. What will you try first? And remember to subscribe for more eco-friendly living tips. Together, we can make a difference, one kitchen hack at a time. Green living starts at home, and your kitchen is the perfect place to begin. Let's reduce waste and cook sustainably. Together, we've got this.